in my opinion. And these weapon systems have been actually around since the 1920s. So they're over 100 year old. It's over 100 year old technology, and today it is far more sophisticated, far more stealthy, far more deadly than anybody out there fully understands, except those who have been hit by it, of course. And my life has been completely shattered, destroyed, stolen from me. My health will never be the same because of this system. Now, if we go back to 2021, I was just, I think it's 29, 30 years old maybe. This is a 30-year-old man that has his life ahead of him that has it stolen from him, because at that time I was involved in activism, and I had been participating in these like protests about vaccines and pharmaceutical companies, and just about I was highly involved in all of that. But they took it upon themselves to isolate me and to destroy me with this system that they have. And it's been an ongoing terror operation, I would say, used by intelligence agencies in Northern Ireland that are subjecting citizens to torture, extreme torture. The world has never seen torture like this. Never has it seen anything like this. This is worse than, you hear about the likes of Guantanamo Bay and places like that, or these camps that they have in North Korea and China. This is just as bad. It's just as bad. And it's an extreme form of torture. I can't even begin to explain to people just how insidious, how deadly, how utterly terrifying it is to be the target of such a weapon system. And I never deserved this. I never deserved to